Hello YouTube, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, importante yung pag-uusapan natin. Very interesting. It's about Paymaya and yung incentives na nakukuha natin when using Paymaya. I also use GCash, pero mas matagal ko nang ginagamit yung Paymaya, kaya mas kabisado ko na siya. So, ano nga ba yung mga incentives na nakukuha natin when using Paymaya? But before we dive into that, siguro pag-usapan natin ng maiksi lang yung benefits naman when using this payment platforms, these apps, yung GCash at yung Paymaya. Number one, it's very convenient. As long as you're connected, may Wi-Fi ka, you have internet connection, pwede mo gamitin tong app na to. At syempre, kailangan may load naman yung ating ginagamit na app, may laman yung wallet. So, pwede mo nang gamitin ngayon to pay for online transactions, pay your bills, pay your online subscriptions like Netflix. Siguro madami pang iba. Comment down below na lang kung ano yung mga nakalimutan ko sabihin. Ang challenge nga lang dito is how you replenish the fund dun sa Paymaya app mo. Kailangan may bank account ka that you can use to transfer funds to the Paymaya wallet. How do you do this? Dito sa Pilipinas ngayon, ang pinaka-convenient na gamitin is InstaPay or PesoNet. Some banks, libre pa ito. Some charge a small amount for these transfers. Napaka-convenient niya kasi hindi ka kailangan maghintay na matagal because it's real-time transfers to your Paymaya app. And then sa app, you can also track your purchases. Your cash-ins at saka yung mga transactions mo. You can review them and you can track them. So that you know kung napapadalas din yung add to cart mo, di ba? Number 3, it's digital. No cash handling. Importante ito sa ngayon, di ba? Sabi nga nila, who led your digital transformation? It's a meme, it's in social media. I'm sure nakita mo na to. Is it letter A, your CEO? Is it letter B, your Chief Technology Officer? Or is it letter C, the pandemic? Nakakatawa pero totoo. Same as Zoom meetings being normal, ang paggamit ng digital transactions ay naging normal na rin sa pandemic. Kasi no cash handling, no virus transmission. So yan lang yung tatlo na naiisip ko sa ngayon na mga benefits sa paggamit itong mga payment apps na ito. Okay, so balik na tayo dun sa mga incentives when using Paymaya. So correct me if I'm wrong. Dati kasi nung ginagamit ko yung Paymaya, when I get an incentive, it gets directly credited to the wallet. Pero sa ngayon kasi medyo nag-iba. When you get your incentive, it's credited to you via vouchers. You get incentive when doing online payments sa Lazada or sa Shopee, fund transfers, online subscriptions, and then paying your bills. That's what I do the most. So you get cashback and then Paymaya also calls it balikbayad. But yun nga, nasabi ko na, hindi siya directly credited to the wallet. You get it via vouchers. You will receive text pagka successful yung mga transactions na ginawa mo. At pag itong mga transactions nito kasama dun sa mga promos nila. At kung katulad mo ako na hindi binabasa yung buong text, may chance na na-miss out mo yung some important details about the vouchers. To actually claim yung incentive na nakuha mo, you have to go to the app and click to claim these vouchers. Okay, so paano ito ha? In the app, there's a dedicated button for vouchers. At sa loob ng vouchers, you have 3 tabs. One is available, pangalawa is claimed, and then the other one is expired. Yes, na-expire po itong mga vouchers na nakukuha mo when doing your promo transaction sa Paymaya app. So meaning, may chance nga na ma-expire siya. So kung katulad mo ako na long time user na ng Paymaya app, at ikaw hindi ka nag-check ng mga vouchers mo, huwag mo nang tingnan yung expired. Masasaktan ka lang. Okay. So ngayon, ano lang yung importanteng kailangan mo i-check kung hindi mo pa nakikita ito? You go to the available tabs so that maklaim mo na yung mga available vouchers for you. Yung claimed naman, it's just a simple list of the vouchers that you have already claimed. So that's it. Ano yung kailangan nating tandaan when using the Paymaya app and you get these incentives from using that app? When you receive this SMS that may natanggap kang cashback or balikbayad or any incentive na may voucher, go and open the app agad. Okay, and then check for the vouchers at i-claim mo na agad kasi pera na, baka may expired pa. So here's a sample of what the vouchers in the app look like. So you have here what's available for you to claim. Tapos meron din naman na-claim mo na. Pwede mo nakuha mo na before. And then, well, sadly, meron din mga expired ako na mga vouchers na hindi ko na pwedeng i-claim. Now let's do a sample transaction. So I have a 50 peso voucher here. So kinlik ko siya, the app prompts na naging successful yung transaction. Then you will get your text na yes, the transaction is successful. And when you look at it, na-credit na rin siya. Then let's claim all the vouchers do sa aking available tab. And then, hanggang sa maubos na siya, see here. So, ngayon, mapapansin na natin that I earned from that session 2,351, now 2,386 na siya. So, that's 35.93 worth of vouchers na na-claim ko. Plus the 50 pesos na una natin kinlaim kanina. At baka nakalimutan ko tong importanteng detail na to. Lahat na nakuha kong incentives sa Paymaya App ay cash. Kasi sa wallet talaga sila pumupunta. These are not points, these are not raffle entries. It is cash. Once claimed at pumasok na sa wallet mo, you can already use it for anything. Okay, that's about it. Thank you for viewing this video and share mo din sa mga kakilala mo na gumagamit ng Paymaya. I hope nakatulong itong video na to sa mga gumagamit ng Paymaya at hindi pa kabisado itong mga vouchers na to. Share mo din, baka may matulungan pa tayong iba. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Usap tayo sa comment box. I'll see you around.